What's up, everyone? Aaron Schatz here, Editor-in-Chief of ASE Publishing, and today we've got another unboxing for you. This time, it's the Warrior 2 portable pocket drone from ScharkSpark. That's ScharkSpark. Interesting little thing, that's right. Reviewing another little drone, and I also have this little guy right here. It's a little bigger, but you can see that it's unreleased beta. And really, this is actually a finished product. It's just they didn't have the retail packaging. So I'm not going to really do an unboxing of this because it really doesn't help you at all, because this is not what you're going to see when you actually buy this type of product. But we're going to have a review on both of these at the same time. They are little camera type of drones. This one's kind of smaller, this one's kind of bigger. But we're going to see what's in this box, and then I'll just open this one up to show you. Here is the box, so let's open this bad boy up. Okay, pretty obvious right there. Got a little drone in there. Lift that thing out there. Okay, there you go. It's a foldable type of drone. Full review coming soon, don't worry. Let's see what else is in this box. Oh, it's coming out, hold on. There we go. Some literature. Blades, rotors, charging cable, looks like. Micro USB. And little, oh, that's interesting. They give you the little rotors they give you, and the little tips too. And controller. So this is a little toy type of drone, and yep, little toy drone, stuff like that. Let's see what type of batteries it takes. Looks like 3 AA's. What's in here? I don't know what's in here. I have no idea what this thing is yet. There's a little compartment here that I just took off, and I'm not sure what it does yet. Probably should read the manual, but that's the unboxing for you. So we'll figure out what that thing does later in the actual full review. Should be a little interesting thing. Throw it in your briefcase and stuff, and just have some fun. Little camera right there. Let's see what this thing looks like. This bigger one here. This unreleased beta. Okay, what do we got here? Literature, 4-axis aerial drone. Okay. Multifunction 6-axis gyroscope, 2.4 gigahertz instructions. Interesting. Rotors, screws, charging cable, which is proprietary, interestingly enough, and a little screwdriver. This one actually came with a little screwdriver too. And we got the, you can see this bad boy's a little bit bigger, and it looks like it does a whole bunch of interesting stuff. Looks like it's, yep, FPV, and that's what it says right there. And these are probably, yep, protection things for the actual rotors. That's nice, so it can bump into stuff. And hopefully you don't, because it is a drone. Very light too. What's in here? Batteries in here, and it's a whatever kind of battery that is. Full review, go into there. It's a proprietary battery. And here we got the actual remote right there, and I can't just take it off because it's screwed in, so I'm not sure the batteries that it takes. Probably some type of double or AAA as well. This must be like smartphone holders or antennas or both. Probably just pop your smartphone in there, I guess. Again, I have no idea. I haven't read the instructions, and this is an unboxing, so there you go. Looks pretty interesting. So yeah, we're gonna have a full review coming soon. This one will take a few weeks to actually get down. Weather's changing everything. I'm actually on a trip pretty soon, so we'll see how this one goes. But this is like the fun part of the actual reviews that we do. So this is like a toy review. So stay tuned. Remember to hit that subscribe button. It should be like right down there. It's red. It says subscribe. You'll be informed of all the reviews as we post them, all the unboxings as we post them. And remember, we have 1-minute reviews. So if you don't want to watch our very long, very detailed reviews, you watch that 1-minute review. You'll be informed. Then you go right back, watch the whole review. You'll be ultra informed and be able to make a great decision on buying a product or not. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.